Hello everyone, welcome back. In this lecture, we are going to discuss about a hidden secret most pet owners miss, which is mental stimulation. Because here's the truth. A tired pet is not just physically tired. A mentally tired pet is calm, happy, and well behaved. So we might try to make your pet tired, but not physically, mentally. So let's discuss how we can do that. Let me ask you one question. Does your pet get bored easily and starts doing random things, or maybe starts barking for no reason, or just meowing over nothing, or it has some kind of restless energy? That's not bad behavior, that's lack of mental stimulation. Why brain games matter? Just like humans, pets need mental challenges. What are the benefits of these brain games? It reduces boredom, it decreases destructive behavior, and of course, it improves focus and builds intelligence in your pet. A stimulated pet means a balanced pet. Use simple brain games. You don't need anything fancy. Let's start with easy ones. Let's discuss few games now. Game 1, Treat Hunt. This one is super fun. Hide treats around your home, then let your pet find them. This activates nose, brain, curiosity. It's like a treasure hunt for your pet. Let's discuss the second game. It's a cup game. Take 2 3 cups, hide a treat under one, shuffle them. Let your pet guess. Builds focus and problem solving. Next game is puzzle toys. Use toys that require effort to get rewards. Your pet has to think, try, and solve. This keeps them engaged for longer. Next is training with some mental exercise. Don't forget, training itself is brain work. Even simple commands like sit, stay, come, that's also kind of game for your pet. Stimulate your pet mentally by using those commands. Step 4 is rotating activities. If you repeat the same game every day, your pet gets bored again. So, change the games, change the location, add small changes. Just like we humans, we have a tendency to get bored easily. Pets also feel bored if we try to make them play same game every day. So, just keep it fresh. Next is short and fun sessions. Let's keep the sessions short and crisp, maybe 5 to 15 minutes once or twice daily. Don't overdo it, mental fatigue is powerful. Watch for overstimulation. If your pet becomes frustrated, disengaged, too hyper, just take a break. Don't force your pet in playing these games. Balance is the key. Quick brain game for you. Right after this video, try the treat hunt. Hide 3 to 5 treats, let your pet find them, and watch how focused they become and how calm they are after. And here's something powerful. Physical exercise tires the body. Mental exercise satisfies the mind. And when both are balanced, your pet becomes calm, happy, and easier to train. In the next lecture, we will level up even more. Agility training at home. This adds fun, fitness, and discipline all together. So, go play a game, challenge that brain, and I'll see you in the next lecture.